In today's world, we all probably have more than one email account or Gmail account, and we might need to make our lives a little bit more efficient by forwarding from one Gmail account to another Gmail account. But also in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to forward one email account to another email account if it's a Gmail account or not. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's sign into our Gmail account. Okay, here we are. So go up to our, now we want to access our settings. Go up to the gear box, click settings, click see all settings. And we want to navigate here to the forwarding and pop IMAP, excuse me. Now, do you see where it says add a forwarding address? We'll click add a forwarding address. And we want to forward them all to maximusmccullough29@gmail.com. And then we'll select next. And then it will get a little information box, forwarding mail to maximusmccullough29@gmail. We will click proceed. So now a confirmation code gets sent to maximusmccullough29 to verify the permission. So you have to select OK. Now we have to log into our other Gmail account and verify that permission. So let's do that. Now here I am in my maximusmccullough29 Gmail, and under updates, I get this message from the Gmail team that asks me if I want to confirm the ability to forward from Maximus B. McCullough to maximusmccullough29@gmail. And I simply just have to click on this link like so and click the confirm button. And now the confirmation has succeeded. Now I went on Maximus Up Close and sent Maximus B. McCullough an email. But notice that it's still in the inbox here. And if I check my email inbox, it did not forward. So what's going on? Well, if you go to your settings again, click see all settings, forwarding, pop, and IMAP, disable forwarding is still ticked. So we want to forward a copy of incoming messages to maximusmccullough29 because we already confirmed that all the email can be sent there. Now you could keep a copy in this Gmail inbox, or you can mark it as read or archive it or just delete it from this box altogether. So if you don't want this box collecting any emails, you could just select delete Gmail's copy. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes, just like so. You'll get this notice across the top. You are forwarding your email to maximusmccullough29, and this will end in 7 days as far as having that notice up there. Okay, but now if we go ahead and look at maximusmccullough29 inbox, you'll see that they haven't started coming just yet, because these are the messages that are already in there will stay in that inbox. So what we got to do is send another email to Maximus B. McCullough from a different email address and see if they forward to here. So let's do that right now. Okay, now we see that we have an email in here from Harley McCullough, which is Maximus Up Close, in our Maximus McCullough29 Gmail. And so we see that it forwarded. And if we look at the details here, we could see that it was sent to maximusbmccullough@gmail. Okay, and now if we go to the maximusbmccullough@gmail, or email inbox, we'll go ahead and refresh this. And we should not be able to see the email, the exact email that came in. Let's go ahead and refresh. Now, there we go. Now, this particular email right here was the one that we sent before. So the new email did not come in. No matter where we check, it's not there. So that's how you use Gmail to forward all Gmail to another Gmail address. Now, when we want to shut it off, like we don't want it forwarded anymore, all we have to do is go to our settings. Notice after 7 days, this notice will disappear. But in order to find that, just go to your cog icon, your gear icon, select see all settings, go to forwarding and pop IMAP, and then just select disable forwarding. And then you want to scroll clear down, click save changes. And now all the emails that get sent to Maximus B. McCullough will no longer forward to Maximus McCullough 29. And that's how you set up your Gmails to forward all Gmail. Now, if you just want to forward one email, let's go over that right now. So here is an email sent from Max at A1 Website Pro. Let's forward this to Maximus McCullough 29. Well, in our three dots here, we could select forward and type in Maximus McCullough 29 at gmail.com. And we'll select that email address and we'll select send. Now let's go check Maximus McCullough 29. Bring that up right here. And here we can see that we got that email from Maximus B. McCullough to here. And that's just how you forward. And notice FWD : will always be prepended to those emails that you forward. So we discovered how to forward everything in Gmail or how to forward just one email. Now let's just go over regular emails. Maybe I have Max at A1WebsitePro.com. How would I forward those emails to another email address? Here I am inside my ISP config. Now, if you need instructions on cPanel or Yahoo Mail or Outlook, I have those instructions in the link in the description of this video. It'll take you to my website and you have step-by-step instructions. But just let me show you how I would do it here. In my ISP config, I'll go over here to where it says email forward. And then I'll click add a new email forward. And then I would select my address, Max at, and then I would grab A1 Website Pro here. And then I would put my destination email, Maximus McCullough 29 at gmail.com. Then I'll scroll down here. I could select send as, allow the target to send mail using this address, or enable gray listing for spam. And then here I can activate it, and then I can uncheck it to deactivate it. And then I would just click save. Now in cPanel or Plesk, they have a similar process. All you have to do is go to the link in the description of this video, and it's written out there for you step by step. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.